here is a more advanced pattern in React if you're using React Query. So here we have a useQuery hook that is fetching a user through this fetchUser function. Now the problem with this is that the type of the user over here, as you can see, is either user or undefined. The reason we have undefined is because on the first render, while the fetch is happening, there is no user. Now this is perfectly normal and there's no problem here. But what ends up happening is if you want to use the user anywhere in your component, you actually have to handle this undefined case, which means that here we have to put a question mark, the optional chaining. But let me now show you a way they actually don't have to do this. What you can do is instead of using useQuery directly, you can use another hook called useSuspenseQuery, which has the same signature as useQuery, but the data here, the user, is never going to be undefined. And the way that this works is you have to come here and wrap the component with the query inside of a suspense boundary, and then the fetch is going to happen outside of the component and the component won't be rendered until the data is there. That's why this user here can never be undefined.